I'm not entirely sure if I would like to be seen, so please pardon me if I keep these glasses on. But I might change my mind, I might not. I feel like all of my spirit is draining and being absorbed by this wooden bench. I feel like I should just be lying down, but I don't wanna do that because I know how I would feel after when the sun sets and I just stayed in my bed and stared at the ceiling. I will come face to face with myself later, and I would not like what I will hear from that version of me when the evening comes. So I'm here, existing outside, because and I'm looking at things. I'm looking at things, and the things are strange. You ever look at cars? You notice how strange they are. They just move. They just move around, and they just make these sounds. And sometimes some of it are louder than the others. And some of them, they have smokes. They have these four wheels that goes and the leaves, they're just flapping around. They're just flapping around and being moved by something that I could not see. And I am also moving around, being moved by something that I could not see. And look at this. Look at this. There's just light. I didn't make it. You didn't make it. Nobody made it. There is just light, and it has some heat that I'm feeling right now. And these trees, they're not smooth. They look like they used to move, but someone punished them for doing something so atrocious. And now they're frozen with all these frozen river paths on their bodies. And the rocks, some of them are huge. Some of them I can accommodate in my nose. And what is this place? Why did I land here? I like it sometimes, of course, because I like using my eyes, I like using my nose, I like using my hands and my feet, and I like smiling at people. I like it when people smile at me. But sometimes you just look around and you just like, what is this? And I am sitting. I am sitting. Not floating. Not being taken by a wave. Not, you know, not in pieces with my bones detached from each other. I am sitting with my head attached to my body and speaking through my teeth. And I have a face. I have a face. Look at my face. It's weird. And I have hair. I like my hair though. Please don't go away. I like my hair. It's just strange. Everything is so strange. And there are people. They're using their legs and they're using their arms. What is this place? There are insects flying around and they die when it's too cold. Who decides that? Who decided that that should be the way it works? I'm not angry. Don't get me wrong, I'm not angry. There's just a lot of things that I don't understand and I don't know how to. And I cannot speak like this. And look at the birds. There are birds and they have feathers and they have beaks and they tweet, tweet, tweet. I cannot speak like that when I am bewildered or freaked out by how many things, by how all of the things are strange and people just walk around as if they really know what's going on. Just look at the sheer amount of things that there are actually. Some are flying, some have voices, some don't, some have colors, some look like this. Some people look like this even though they're still breathing. I should talk about something else. I should talk about something else. And yeah, I will talk with you about something else. Because this week has been emotionally rich and vibrant. And sometimes I feel like there is someone, something, somewhere saying, oh, you wanna be a writer, right? You wanna be a writer. Here is a life you can write about. Here are circumstances you can write about. That's what you like, right? That's what you like. Here it is. Here it is. Take it.